am Lisa, the Ukulele Fool, and I would love to be your ambassador into the world of ukulele. Why the Ukulele Fool? Well, because I foolishly believe that playing the ukulele will make your life better. If you have any inclination to sing and play and make music with others, you want to be able to play ukulele. And then I know for a fact, I see it all the time, that ukulele players make the world a better place. As your ukulele ambassador, the first thing that I want to do is make sure that we have well-trained, happy, new beginner ukulele players. So I offer the New to Uke series. I am a trained music educator and I have been studying education for my entire life. And I know how to break steps down so that each step can be an enjoyable journey, minimize frustration, kind of like take you by the hand and help you get where you need to go. So I've got the New to Uke series that's available on Patreon, and all the videos are for free on YouTube. As your ukulele ambassador, I can share with you some of the things about the ukulele community that are just freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, I have superhero interviews where I have interviewed, just kind of like normal people, and then sometimes some superstars and things like that along the way. And it is so humbling and inspiring that what people are doing out there in the world to make it a better place through the ukulele. So catch the playlist that I have for the Ukulele Superheroes. These people are awesome. You want to get to know them, and that's part of what makes the ukulele community so vastly different than other musical communities. And I've been a part of other musical communities, and they've been fun, but they have not been world-changing like the ukulele community is. So lastly, as your ambassador, having the right gear does count. And so I want to help particularly those new ukulele players get the right gear, get set up properly, and explore the fun of ukulele acquisition syndrome, if you happen to have that, as well as all the accessories and things like that. So I throw in some reviews. I talk to people that are making ukuleles, things like that, in order to get you a really good idea of what's happening behind the scenes in the ukulele world, and then also ukulele gifts. So please come along with me for the journey. Support me on patreon.com. I do this out of the goodness of my heart. Help get my husband to stay on board with this, just even like a tip. If you've got $1 a month to tip me for the work I do, that'd be awesome. And plus, my patrons do charitable work too, and there's always a charitable goal on patreon.com, so you can be part of making the world a better place right off the bat. Okay, thank you so much, and keep spreading the ukulele love.